Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So listen, you guys, where is milk and honey when we need milk and honey? All right, we need them to act and act very, very fast. Where is DSTV? Where is Showmax? Okay, we need somebody to act fast. Listen, you guys, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. But okay, I still think it's a good idea to get this family on reality TV. Okay. Anyway, you guys, over there on TikTok and on Facebook, this family is trending, okay, because they had this big event. I think the man of the family was celebrating his birthday. It's some rich family that I had no idea about. It's a Gwala family, you guys, okay. I'm wondering why they did not invite me, okay, why they did not invite me as an in-law. Anyway, you guys, so what caught my attention is that they are saying over there on Facebook, this man is living Musamselegu's dream. I'm like, you know what? We are going to give Musamselegu another stroke. Now we are going to give him a heart attack because Musam Selego thinks that he is the blueprint of a polygamy and polygamist in the whole entire South Africa, honey. He thinks that he is the one and only one that has done it and has done it the best, okay? You want to know about Istembu and how you do Istembu, speak to Musam Selego, honey. But listen, you guys, there's somebody called Bonhlanhla Gwala that looks like he is doing it better than Musam Selego. Yes, you guys, he looks richer than Musam Selego. He looks more good looking than Musam Selego. His wives are even wearing matching outfits. Can you believe it? They wear the same makeup and their dresses will be the same. The kids are getting along. Haibo ankazi ngibabo no Rondoville abangaka in the one homestead. And the wives are staying in the same homestead. Musam Selego's dream has come true in another man's homestead. Can you believe it, guys? Please make sure that Musam Selego doesn't see this video. Musam Selego is going to fade. I think that this man might actually have 20 kids that Musam Selego has wanted his whole life. And this man looks half the age of Musam Selego. Can you believe it? Hayi ugogo Flow walo baba lo uyasebenza shema ngosam gogo Flow. I got to go flow guys, uyasebenza. Listen, his home looks like the village, okay? I'm sure some of the people in the same homestead, we are pelu 3 months bengabonakalanga. That's how big his homestead is, okay? They were doing this event where they were celebrating his birthday, okay? Lela tendelele, aksilo futhi tendelelana. It's not even a marquee, okay? It's like a mansion, of a marquee, to have a celebration. You know that party that they had for Musam Selego? No, honey, no. Okay? This party was at another level. No wife came in late because when the wives came in, they were holding hands. Musam Selego is going to faint. Every single one of the wives, I think there are 4 wives, Anyway, you guys, I was still shocked by the fact that the wives were wearing matching outfits that I couldn't even count. Even my maths lit failed me. I couldn't even count how many wives they were because I was like, the wives are wearing matching outfits. They were holding hands. The wives are holding hands. I was like, no. Musam Selego is going to faint. Musam Selego, please, somebody check on Musam Selego, you guys. Somebody is living Musam Selego's dream. This man has all his wives, in line, honey. Listen, it looks like all of it is in order, okay? The only thing I showed that ukuthi lo bhuti smile, okay? Akasmile ke lo bhuti. Akahlekahleki, okay? Akahlekahleki. Niyibhamu ke zangisabisa mina guys because ugadiwe. But listen, you guys, any man who has his life in order, the way that this man has his life in order, okay? And by the way, you guys, okay, I'm not being shady, but his kids are really cute, okay? His kids are really, really cute, okay? Musani cabanga ngiyasho nje ukuthi iy'ngane zakhe zinhle lo baba, zinhle. Phela fanele ngithi zinhle, mina ngigane kagwala guys, so yonke into yakagwala yinhle, yabo, bahle laba bantu. Mina ngi-understand soba ngimemanga ngani laphayana, Nkosi yami yazi, ngisale kanjani mina laphaya, because this was a family event, yabona. So guys, angazi, I don't know how we are going to do this because this story is trending on TikTok, but Musamseleko must not see it because Musamseleko is not going to be happy. Somebody is doing this polygamy thing better than Mseleko. Yes, guys, when this Sunday is getting, I thought this Sunday was good and then it got better. Anyway, you guys, listen, if you want to see all about this function, go over there on TikTok. It's trending. Hi, got a sighting reality show. Because sometimes things look good at a distance, and then when the cameras come, bayakwebhana abantu. But the matching outfits, because guys, listen, I'm not matching with somebody that I don't get along with. So I don't think that the wives would match if they were not getting along. You understand what I'm saying? Because you have to discuss, materials, when you want this design, and you really do have to get along to wear matching outfits. You understand what I'm saying? Do you understand how much you have to get along to wear the matching outfits with somebody? Now imagine the four of you having to wear the matching outfits. Guys, it's Musamseleko's dream in another man's homestead becoming a reality. I cannot believe it. This man has stolen Musamseleko's dream. Guys, listen, they need to invite me in the next event because I cannot have it, okay? I cannot have it that ngisalile ngangamenywa mina kulo mcimbi lo. Akukwazi. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section, you guys, okay? Did we know what we were going to see something like this, okay? But besazi vele, guys, vele besazi ukuthi lesasithembu sikaMseleko is a mess of his temple for it to be used as an example of his temple in South Africa. Now this guy has come and showed us that it can be done better than Musamseleko. Anyway, thank you so much. Ngithanda kakhulu.